Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. It is almost time to go. But guys, I am headed to Lowe's. I dropped baby girl off to work. I am headed to Lowe's. I need to get a few things. Nobody's going to take care of the yards unless I do that. So our yard look like the wilderness right now. So I know if I'm going for a week, nobody's going to touch anything because I'm there and nobody's touching it. So I am going to get a few things that I need from Lowe's. Then I'm going back home, change set clothes, and put my hair in a pony. And I am going to cut this grass, trim the hedges, and I'm going to work on more of the patio. So that is what you will see in this video, guys. So stay tuned. We're headed to Lowe's. I got my wood, guys. So guys, let me explain to you when I said I do everything on a budget. If it's not going to Goodwill to pick up things, Facebook Marketplace, things like that. With wood, guys, when I am building something, I go to look for rough edges that I know that it's going to be cut off. So this wood that's in the back was $75 and your girl paid $22. So that is how that's the trash can. I don't want to smell that. So that is how I do my things. So I know I'm gonna have to make another trip back, which I thought I was gonna have enough of space, although they are flat. I did ask them to cut it in half, so they are cut in half, so that makes it much easier for your girl. So yeah, so I think I am going to run into Walmart on the lawn and garden side, which I should have went to Home Depot. Oh, where is it? It's all the way in the very back of I want to get more screws. That's what I'm thinking. I want to get more screws, which I may have enough. After I am done with everything by putting these down, probably later on this afternoon, I will come back and get the rest of my pickets. But I am also going to show you guys with me doing it this, and you know I'm doing it with pallets. And I kept telling you guys, I didn't record, so y'all are gonna get a recording. Yay! So I need to get something to eat, although I can grab something from home. My goal is I don't want to bother anyone. I want to go pull these out. I need to undo everything and get business easy. So I am going to, I want some grits. I want some good stick to your ribs grits. That is the reason why this girl is gaining stomach. And I think I'm gaining stomach, guys, because I have been making homemade pizzas. It's sticking to you, girl. It's sticking to you, girl. So I am just like right now so I'm going back to get more pickets. I forgot to get chain. Yeah, I forgot. So I know I need a lock. And so right now it's just like go. I know I have so much to do, but thank God it's not even 10 o'clock. It's 9:40. It's 9:40. I'm gonna go in Dollar Tree because I want to see if it's just like in my mind, like, girl, you don't need nothing out of Dollar Tree. That's just how my mind is operating right now. You don't need nothing out of Dollar Tree. I got some things that I got from Marshall's, and it has been riding in this car. I'm super excited, y'all, to get more of this patio done. I want to get the patio finished so it can sit, and when I get back, then I can oh Lord, these people here are parking like crazy. It's early in the morning, you're still sleeping. Once you put your wood down and stuff, you have to wait a week before you can stain it. So that is perfect because I'll be going on vacation for a week. So when I get back, guys, guess what? I can stain it. So let's go inside Dollar Tree. Okay, guys. Thought my phone was ringing. Dollar Tree has no new finds, so I usually do it on TikTok and show them my new finds. I usually do it right when I get the items. So I am headed home. So I need to change my sneakers, and I got a pair of sneakers in the car garage, my Adidas. So I'll just slip those on and get busy. I call my son every day when he's sleeping. I want to see if he would help me, and I would get him some breakfast, but he's asleep. So I'm gonna do what I need to do first, and yeah, because your girl need to eat something because my stomach is growling. So I will see y'all guys when I get to the house.
Hi guys, so I want to give you an update. So I did get some of the porch done on that day. The day before I had to fly out, I did finish the deck. The full video will be coming, but guys, of course, you know, I'm going to give you a sneak peek. So the first one is where I was half the way done, and the second picture, guys, I was done. Okay guys, so this is what it was looking like, and of course I had to get some more supplies, but I was adamant I wanted it done before I left. So here is the before and look guys. So I can't wait to get back to show you all of what I did. Guys, have a great week, and I will see you back on the 24th. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.